guys, I made a witch hat and broom topper for Halloween, and here's what I did. For supplies, you'll need templates, wooden skewers cut into 3 1/4 of an inch pieces, scissors, black cardstock, brown craft paper, regular glue, and hot glue. Trace and cut out your broom template onto brown craft paper. Then cut slits stopping at about 1/4 of an inch from the top. Add glue and wrap it around one end of the skewer. Trace and cut out the pieces for the witch's hat. Glue and assemble your pieces. Glue the hat to the skewer with hot glue. Add them to your dessert, and your witch hat and broom toppers are done.